180 years, cooperatives have shown that businesses can be built on shared values, democratic ownership and long-term purpose. And today the world needs those principles more than ever. Serving on the ICA board has been one of the greatest privileges of my professional life. It has enabled me to represent our movement on the global stage while learning from cooperatives in every region of the UK and around the world. Influence only matters if it delivers change, and my work is about connecting governments, communities and business so that cooperatives become practical solutions to real world challenges. Here in the UK, we are delighted to welcome our first Labour and Cooperative Prime Minister, who has appointed 6 Cabinet Ministers with cooperative heritage and background. Around the world, governments are searching for better ways to build resilient economies, tackle inequality and strengthen our community. Cooperatives have the solutions. Our challenge is ensuring the ICA becomes the organisation that helps the world to discover them. Cooperatives are building resilience in our communities, whether it's our work here in the UK, working with the government to embed participation, or whether that's about creating resilient agriculture systems for food security. Cooperatives more and more are becoming the answer. My priorities are to grow our membership. A larger alliance is a stronger alliance. Secondly, to build resilience. Strong finances enable stronger services, and good governance provides a clear operating foundation to effect change. Finally, to champion cooperative solutions, working alongside governments and international institutions to deliver practical change. Together, we can make the International Cooperative Alliance stronger, more influential and more relevant than ever before.